Alright, so let's see what the creek looks like. Well, she's flowing. This spot always gets water, as does that spot there, but the chicken coop looks okay. Let's check this out. This is a world of difference, though, since we moved in last year in 21. A lot less water we're taking in. Our whole goal has been to better the flow. So this is typically dry, unless we get excessive rains like we did last night, this morning. There was a little frog. This still needs a little help. All full of leaves. I'm gonna cut this one and start again.